Businesses that normally survive and succeed are those that meet the needs of society or a community. We unpack what is entailed in this line of thought.
How to do business, which opportunities are there, and so that must be taught at a very, very early age, and also how to be able to handle money, which is one of our biggest challenges. We tend to be spenders and not savers. When you save, you're able to use that money for future opportunities. So I think it's a question of mindset, but also I think element of educational system that also needs to be reviewed as well. We cannot depend on jobs anymore, not in today's world, because there is ever demand, high demand for jobs, and there are very few slots. There are many graduates, there are many people who are qualified, but they may not be able to get jobs. So the message is that we should be looking at creating opportunities out of challenges that we have in the society. So entrepreneurs look at those challenges and see how best to be able to turn them into viable businesses. And that is really what it's all about. That's what entrepreneurship is all about. As I said, entrepreneurs must think. You must continually think, look at better ways of doing things, look at challenges which are in the society and how we can transform them into opportunities. That's what it's all about. And that's how we shall be able to create employment for our people and also opportunities for this economy to grow.